So yesterday, just to quickly recap what we said. Yesterday I gave you that, right? And then we said this rule, the specific one, where your bases are different but your exponents are the same, right? Then what we do is we multiply those bases and the exponent stays the same, right? But we are only allowed to use this rule when we are multiplying or dividing. Okay, so that's where we ended. And now let's do an example where we're actually dividing. So a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n. Because my exponent is the same, I can say that that's exactly the same as a divided by b in brackets and then to the power of n. Okay, now it looks stupid because we couldn't go any further than that, but you'll see in the next one why we do it. Okay, so in the next example, I have 24 to the power of 5 over 6 to the power of 5. Now, can you see that the top and the bottom, my bases aren't the same, but they are both to the power of 5. So when that happens, we still divide those bases. So 24 divided by 6, bracket, very important the bracket, and then to the power of still 5. Okay, now, why do we do that? Because have a look at what's written inside my bracket. 24 over 6 is the same as
12 over 3.
and 12 over 3 is the same as
12 over 3, 3, 6, 9.
4. So basically, I can simplify it to just say 4 to the power of 5. Okay, now, look, you can still, if you want, keep your brackets around it. But why am I allowed to now write it without brackets? Yes, it's just one thing. No. So it's obvious that if that is to the power of 5, the to the power of 5 applies to the 4. And the 4 only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. Any questions so far?
No,
Okay, can I skip? Right. 10 to the power 3 times 11 to the power 3 times 12 to the power 3. Now, can you see that all my bases are different? Okay, but what's the same? My exponents. So what can I then do? I can use brackets and then say 10 times 11 times 12, close my bracket, and then say to the power of 3.
Can we
Okay.
give you the answer?
Give me the answer.
10 times 11.
From?
It's 2.
Yes, ma'am, because
You were wrong, so I had to go ahead. Okay, so 1,320 still to the power of 3. Again, if you didn't want to write, that's the same as this.
My calculator is doing things.
Okay. I think we have spoken about. Okay. Huh?
ma'am, giving
Yeah,
an
but
answer.
see, it's not giving it to you in exponential form. You still say to the power 3. Leave out the to the power 3.
Oh, that's why I have the power.
Listen.
I gave you everything.
Yes, you gave me the final answer. Right? I just wanted to know what would be written inside the bracket. Now, listen. You will see with these big ones, I would, in the test and in the exam, ask you guys to leave your answer in exponential form. What on earth does that mean?
Leave it like that.
I leave it like that, meaning you're not going to say that this is 1 million what as an answer. You leave it as an answer that still has an exponent. Okay, so meaning if your answer was 2 to the power of 3, you're not going to say equal to 8. I don't want that. I want the 2 to the power 3 because that is in exponential form. Do you guys understand? Okay, right. Can we do the last example there? Okay. So who wants to try? Okay, ek gaan er nog 'n enetjie doen. Okay, so Kazi, go.
I can open.
Yes.
6
Yeah.
over 3.
Yes.
Bracket close.
Yes.
Add 1 to the power of 3.
Yeah.
Then say, you can say, you can just put.
We now gonna simplify inside the bracket.
So it's
So
it's 2.
Not.
It's 2 to the power of 3.
Good. There we go. 2 to the power of 3. No.
Can I say 2 over 1? No.
You can say 2 over 1. Yeah.
Right answer is 2.
Okay. Right. Any questions so far? Do you guys think you have this one?
Yes.
And remember, it's only when it's multiplication and division. No? Okay. So your homework. No, let me rephrase. Your class work. And whatever is not done becomes homework. It's exercise 5.4, number 1 up until 3. So the whole exercise now, listen. I do not want you guys to talk. I know it's test series, so use the time now. You can still finish within this period. You've got more than enough time. Okay? Finish your work so that this weekend you can either study or chill. Okay?
I'm playing on Saturday, ma'am.